Hello, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this watermark that comes in your Windows, that is Activate Windows. So if you want to remove this, so we are not going to install any third-party software or anything to remove this or to activate it forcefully. We will just remove this logo to make sure that it doesn't come on your screen. Okay, so if you see on the screen, the steps are there. I will mention the link for these steps as well. But let's go ahead and see how we can do it. So what you have to do, you have to press Windows and R and just open reg edit and press yes. Now in Windows and R, if you go ahead and see it here, you have to go to the local machine software and then Microsoft, and then you have to go to Windows NT. Okay, make sure you go to Windows NT and then go to the current version. This is the current version, and in the software protection platform, go up here and see the activation here. If you see there is a value here, manual, so what you will do, you will modify it and double click, or you can click on modify and click 1. Okay, so it's already set to 1. I have set it, so it's 1 already, so you can set the value here. And then same thing you have to do for notification disabled parameter. Okay, once you go ahead and change it, so again do the same way, modify and press 1 and click OK. Okay, so what you have to do, you can simply go ahead and now you can restart it. So once this is done, so you can just exit and the changes has been done. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go ahead and restart my system to see that this icon should be gone after the reboot. So let's reboot. I will record after the reboot.
So now once we restart, we can see this watermark of Activate Windows is gone. But remember, like, this will come up after some time. Once you update Windows, this will be back. Okay, so for temporary purpose, if you want to do, we can do the steps till now what we have done. But let's say if you want to do it and make sure that it doesn't changes, so we have to perform the other steps that are mentioned here. So what we have to do, again open your registry editor, go back to the same path where we earlier went, and now this time click on activation and right click it to set the permissions. Okay, so if you see, this permission for the activation is enabled. So now what we have to do, we have to disable this. Okay, so for both trusted installer and system, what we have to do, we have to mark deny. Okay, and we have to apply it. So what I will do, apply for now, yes, and for trusted installer also apply. So I have applied the deny for both trusted installer and the system users. Now once this is done, you have to go to the advanced button. In advanced, if you see it here, you have to disable the inheritance. Okay, so what we have to do, disable inheritance. Okay, so from where you want to do it. Okay, so both are disabled. Now these two we have to, these two we have to delete. Okay, so now what I have to do, remove, apply, and okay. Now if you see, this hole is gone. Now when we go ahead and do, you will not be able to see. Okay, because access is denied. If you want to make any changes later, you can add users or group later on. you can restart and see this will not be back. So that was all for this video. Thank you.